Hello, hardworking readers. It's time to move on so we can practice our trick words. Same thing as before. I'm going to show you a trick word on the screen. First, we're going to read the word. Then we'll air write the word, saying the letters' names. And then we'll read the word one more time. Here we go. Do you know what this trick word is? This trick word is A. Let's air write that letter. A. And the word is A. Nice job. Here's the next word. This one's a little tricky. This one is does. Say that with me. Say does. Good. Let's air write and say all of those letters' names. D, O, E, S. That word is does. Nice job. Pause here. I have a challenge for you. Could you use this word in a sentence? And could you tell that sentence to somebody in your house? Here's one. Does the ice cream in the fridge have chocolate chips in it? That's my sentence. What's yours? Let's move on. The next word is to. Let's get ready to air write. T-O. That word is to. Here's the next one. Say like. Good. Let's air write. L-I-K-E. The word is like. Two more, readers. The next word is I. I. The word is I. One more trick word for practice today. This trick word is said. Let's get ready to air write. S-A-I-D. The word is said. Nice job. We have earned another green check mark for our job list today, our agenda. I'll see you in a few minutes so we can read our story. Nice job.